Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe for steak fajitas using low-carb tortillas. Here's a list of spices for my homemade taco seasoning, and you just have to add one additional spice to my taco seasoning to make it a good fajita mix for steak fajitas. Air fryer cooked my fajitas on the beef setting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Once you've toasted your low-carb tortilla, add your fajita mix, then add the rest of your toppings such as some fresh chopped cilantro, Mexican cheese blend, some guacamole. I like to use my homemade dill ranch dip, but you can also use sour cream and a fresh squeeze of lime juice. And I'd also like to add a Cholula green hot sauce to mine as well. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap that bell to get notifications for new recipes. And also come visit me over on my other social media account on Instagram under Keto Auntie as well. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.